What's up guys, I'm sat here in sunny England, which is a rarity, and I've owned this Peak Design everyday backpack for a while now, so I wanted to give you some of my thoughts. This is a beautiful bag. It is so well made. Everything is perfect. I really have no complaints with the build quality. You can grab it in all these different areas, so you can, whenever you need to pick it up, you always have a handle for it. The straps, they magnetically pop in like this, and the back will slide onto a roller suitcase if you're traveling as well. The latch mechanism, which is a pull out and a lift, is really cool also. It's just a very premium bag that's very well made. All of the zips have these little loop zippers that can hook on to other parts of the bag. It's hard for people to steal anything. And then of course it has this chest brace here that you can attach over to give you a bit more support on the chest. When it comes to comfort, this backpack, I would say, is definitely not the most comfortable backpack. It's definitely form over comfort at least. But when it comes to accessibility to compartments and to your stuff in the bag, it's actually very accessible. There's this on both sides, this long zip that gives you complete access to everything inside, and inside as well you have these different dividers. I only have one in here right now and my iPad, but you can fit a bunch more. So that's the main compartment where you will keep most of your camera stuff. You can set that up as you like it. Then when it comes to the top, there is this compartment here where you can keep a 16-inch MacBook Pro, which is it's pretty tight in there, to be honest with you. And there's a little sleeve as well for an iPad, but honestly I just put it inside my main bag because once you put both of those two items in there, it really squishes and clamps down on the laptop, and I don't like getting keyboard fingerprints on my screen. But overall, I would say that this is a very beautiful camera bag to have, and it's quite good because it has this huge compartment, so you can reconfigure it and keep kind of whatever you want in there as well. The downsides, I would say, are the fact that it's actually very heavy on its own. It weighs a lot without anything in it. It is so nice, so I don't really want to get it dirty. It's also very expensive at around $300. I've had this for a while now. It still looks pretty good, but honestly, I tend to grab one of my other backpacks because it's more malleable. You can stretch things in it more. This thing holds its shape so well that once you've got everything in it, you're not really getting anything more. You can't bulk it out even more like you could maybe with a different type of backpack that would stretch or kind of deform to fit whatever you have in it. Now, the material that this bag is made out of is some sort of a water resistant recycled material, I believe. It's quite thick and everything's sewn quite thickly as well, which means, like I said earlier, it holds its shape well, but it also adds some extra weight to everything. So it's something worth bearing in mind. Overall, I like this bag, but it kind of serves a bit of a specific purpose, which is, I guess, what it's designed for. City walks with one camera and maybe a lens, or yeah, a few bits of small camera equipment. Anyway, I hope that was a good little review. This was the everyday backpack. I'll put a link to it down in the description. So if you like it and you want to buy one, you can buy it through my affiliate link. That will give me a bit of a kickback and help me to create more of these.